In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly add a new page type to your document in Canva, a versatile and user-friendly design tool. Whether you're crafting a presentation, creating a video, or simply designing a document, knowing how to quickly adjust your page settings can save you time and ensure your project looks exactly how you want it to. Let's start by navigating to your Canva document. To do this, open Canva in your web browser. Once you're logged in and on your dashboard, find the project you're working on or start a new one. If you're opening an existing project, simply click on it and it will take you to the design editor where all the creative magic happens. Once you're in the Canva editor, direct your attention towards the bottom of your screen where you have a section dedicated to page management. Here you'll see a variety of options. Among them, you'll find the option labeled Add Page Type right next to the Next Page button. This feature is quite powerful because it allows you to seamlessly integrate different types of content within the same project, depending on what you need. Clicking on Add Page Type will bring up a selection of page sizes. Here, you have the flexibility to choose from various page formats like document size, presentations, videos, whiteboards, sheets, and more. Each page type is designed to cater to specific needs. For instance, if you're putting together a report or letter, the document size might be ideal. On the other hand, if you're aiming to create a dynamic visual slideshow, the presentation option is your go-to. When selecting the appropriate page type, consider what content you plan to include and how you intend to present it. This careful selection up front can make a significant difference in the effectiveness and professionalism of your final output. For example, a presentation format is tailored to support slides with multiple layouts and elements that aid storytelling. Meanwhile, videos have their own dedicated space for editing and adding media elements. Once you've chosen the page type that fits your project's requirements, you're all set. Canva does the rest by configuring the page layout accordingly, making it ready to fill with your design elements. It's just that simple. With this capability, you can maintain coherency across your document while mixing page types that best present each section of your content. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've added a new page type to your Canva document. This technique is invaluable for making sure your projects are polished and versatile. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to experiment with different page types to see what works best for your creative needs in Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on enhancing your design skills. Happy designing!